Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy in home easy guide. Preheat your home cotton candy machine and measure sugar carefully. Use a tablespoon for each batch. Add flavor extract or a drop of food coloring if desired, then pour sugar into the spinner head. Hold the paper cone at a 45-degree angle and rotate slowly to collect fluffy strands until the cone is full. Warm and friendly tip: choose quality sugar and gentle flavorings for the best texture. Set up your machine on a stable surface and keep a bowl nearby for excess sugar. Use a funnel to add sugar without spilling and a medium heat setting to avoid burning. Practice one small batch first to learn timing, then scale up as confidence grows and guests arrive for a fun treat experience. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, so you can tidy up after sticky sugar sessions without lifting a finger. It pairs nicely with messy kitchen fun and saves time between batches. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Keep your technique calm and steady. Begin at the rim and wind the floss inward to form a uniform ball. Hold the cone at a consistent angle and rotate your wrist smoothly to layer strands without gaps. If strands are sparse, slightly raise the cone and try again, and if they burn, reduce heat or use fresher sugar. Clean the spinner head after it cools to maintain flavor and performance for future batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.